Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Jasmeet Kaur. Today I will be sharing with you all the GST strategy for CA Intermediate September 2025 and January 2026. First of all, I will be telling you all the important chapters of GST which you should must do. So the chapters are ITC, input tax credit, value of supply, time of supply, place of supply, charge, supply, registrations, payment of tax and returns. So now I will be telling you all the weightages of these chapters which I have seen in all the question papers, also in May 2025 question paper. So first of all, you can expect a question of 5 marks from ITC and value of supply और exemption मिला करके एक क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है 5 marks का. You can expect that in your question paper, and then you can expect a 4 marks question of from place of supply. Then you can expect a 4 marks question from supply, and then you can expect a 5 marks question from returns chapter, and then you can expect, मतलब एक्सपेक्ट क्या, ये तो एकदम कंफर्म है, कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ जीएसटी लाइबिलिटी, ये 10 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन, पहला क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है सेक्शन बी में. दिस इज ऑफ 10 मार्क्स. एज यू ऑल कैन कैलकुलेट, it will be a total of 30 to 35 marks. It means that you can expect a 70 marks paper of GST from these only chapters. So please do these only topics first and then switch to other topics of GST which hardly contain 15 marks. So the rest 15 marks of question paper you can expect that from very small topics that which includes TDS, TCS, tax invoice, debit note and credit note, payment of tax, accounts and records. So that's all for today. In the next video, I will be sharing all the resources from which I have done the GST. So comment down below if you have any queries, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.